A very warm welcome to all my dear students. In this video today we will learn about the different concepts related to circles, and we will also learn about the questions in the chapter. So let us first of all learn about the different concepts that are related to circles. So let us see here at first what is a circle. A circle is a closed figure such that the distance of every point on the circumference of the circle, this is known as circumference of the circle, and the distance of every point on the circumference of the circle from the center, which is O here, is same. So we can write down OA is equal to OB. It is represented by small r, that is the radius of the circle. Then if we draw a line segment on the circle such that it passes through the center and its both the endpoints are on the circumference of the circle, then this is known as diameter of the circle. So here we have PA, which is the diameter of the circle, and OA, which is the radius of the circle. OA is equal to radius of the circle. Now here, as we all know that there is a very important relationship between the radius and the diameter, that the radius is 2 times of diameter. Radius is half of diameter. So R is equal to D upon 2. Or we can say that diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. So here we can write down that OA, which is the radius, is equal to OP, which is the diameter upon 2. After this, let us understand the other important topics of the circle for this class, which is we have to learn about the tangent to the circle and the secant to a circle. And we will also understand that what is the difference between a tangent and a secant. So first of all, I am going to discuss about tangent. What is a tangent? A tangent is a line which touches the circle externally at a single point. So if I am drawing a circle over here and a line AB, here the line should touch the circle at only single point, that is point P. Now there are two important properties that we need to understand to solve the questions of the exercise. That is, first property, the tangent is perpendicular to radius at the point of contact. The radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. The second important property of this topic, tangent, is that if we draw two tangents to a circle from the same point which is outside the circle at an exterior point, from point A, that let it be AP and AQ. So according to the property of tangent, that the tangent drawn to the circle from the same exterior point are equal in length. So we need to write down AP is equal to AQ according to the property. Now let us understand about secant. What is a secant? According to the secant, it is a line which crosses the circle at two different points, or we can say that it cuts or intersects the circle at two different points. Let it be point P and Q. This is a secant. One more thing that we need to learn here is about a chord. What is a chord? A chord in a circle is a line segment inside the circle. The diameter is the longest chord of a circle. A, B, endpoints are on the circumference passing through the center. The AB is the longest chord of the circle. It divides the circle into two equal parts and each part is called a semicircle. Here, if I draw any other chord in the circle, that will be smaller than the diameter and it divides the circle into two unequal parts. Here. Okay. The smaller portion, the shaded region over here, is known as minor segment. and the bigger portion here will be called as the major segment. The major segment. After learning the different terms related to circle over here, now we will do some of the questions from the exercise and try to understand them. So those will be based on the properties of the tangents, the circle, etc. First question. In this question we have a circle over here and a chord is drawn which is the diameter AB passing through the center O, and we have a triangle. This angle is given as 58 degree. We need to find out the value of x. So for this question, we know that in a triangle we can find out the third angle or angle only if we know the remaining two angles of the triangle. One of the angle is given as 58 degree. We have to find out the value of x. So this angle, according to the property, we have to take this particular angle as 90 degree. This angle is known as the angle in a semicircle and is always equal to 90 degree. Now here, for this triangle APB, we got two angles, one is 90, one is 58. Now we can use the property of triangles to get the value of x. So I can use x plus 90 plus 58 is equal to 180 degrees. Now we'll add 90 and 58. So 90 plus 58 is equal to 148 degrees. So x plus 148 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 148, that is equal to 32 degrees. So for this particular x, we are getting the value as 32 degrees. Now let us understand the next question. Here we have a circle and there is a chord. This side and this side and this side are given equal. It passes through the center of the circle. This is y and this is x. Okay. So here we can, since both the sides are given equal, so we can simply write down that x will be equal to y and both the angles will be equal to 90 upon 2. That is equal to 45 degrees. Now, after this question, let us go to the next question. We have a circle over here, it is passing through the center O. This angle will be 90 degree because we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So this is given as a tangent, let it be A, P, B. This angle is given as 42 degrees. So now we have to find out the value of x. So again here we will be using the same property of the circles, that this angle will be equal to 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Now we'll use the property of the triangle, that sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So here we have x plus 42 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degrees. Alright. Now we'll get x plus 132 is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 minus 132 degrees, that is equal to 48 degrees. I hope that this question is now understood to all of you very nicely. Let us move to the next question. In this question we have a circle, this side, this side and this side is given equal. This is also equal. Let us name the triangles at first. This is O passing through the center A, B, C, D. So here as we can see that we have got two triangles A, B, D and B, C, D. So first of all I need to find out, let it be X because AB and BD are equal. So their corresponding angles will also be equal. So I have mapped this angle and this angle as X. And this angle will be equal to 90 degree because this is an angle in a right angle, this is an angle inside a semicircle. So we can use in triangle ABD 90 degree plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So 2X is equal to 90, X is equal to 45 degrees. Now we have got the value of X as 45 degree. Then we have to actually calculate the value of Y. This angle is given as Y. Now, since we have this side and this side which is also given equal to us, so this angle is Y, so this angle is also Y. Now, for the triangle BBDC, this side and this side is equal. Both will be Y and Y. And this X is an exterior angle for the triangle BDC. So we can write down exterior angle for triangle BDC. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So X is 45 is equal to 2Y. So Y is equal to 45 upon 2. So we are getting this particular angle Y as 45 by 2 degrees. And this is our answer. Now we will move to the next question. Okay. So let us see the diagram at first. We need to find out the values of X and Y. We have a circle over here, and from the same point, two tangents are drawn to the circle here. We'll draw the radius because we know radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Then the different measurements are given A, B, C, let it be O. This we have to find out and this we have to find out as X. Now, this is given as 18 centimeter. So this will also become 18 centimeter because both are radius. OC and OA both are radius. AB is given as 24 centimeter. Now we need to find out the value of Y and X. So here, as we can see that this AB is a tangent and this BC is also a tangent. So AB and BC are the tangent to the circle from the same point B. So we can write down directly Y is equal to 24 centimeter because it is according to the property that the tangents to the circle from the same exterior point are equal. Now we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. This is 24 centimeter. This angle is 90 degree. So this becomes a right angle triangle. So in order to find out the value of X, which is the hypotenuse for the triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write down OB, which is the hypotenuse. OB square is equal to OC square plus BC square. Now OC is given as 18 square plus BC square is 24 square. So 18 square, now 324 plus 576 is equal to OB square. So from here we are getting OB square is equal to 900. Now OB we have got 900, so OB will be equal to square root of 900, that is equal to 30 centimeter. So with this we got the value of X as 30 centimeter. So here we have used the two properties of the circle. First property, tangents to the circle from the same exterior point will be equal. Second, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. And then for solution we have used Pythagoras theorem in the triangle BOC. So opposite to 90 degree, x was in hypotenuse. So we used hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square.